We're daredevils, but we're not naive. We know that your helmet is the single most important accessory for your riding experience. So we designed the best damn helmet in the market, the Jarvis X AR Smart Helmet. The Jarvis X AR helmet is made out of a lightweight aerodynamic polycarbonate carbon fiber shell with built-in wide-angle 2K front and rear cameras that offer 360-degree view, and the industry's first voice-activated retractable heads-up display. The Jarvis X AR helmet connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to see incoming call notifications, road slip warning, weather notification, gas station icon, dangerous section warning, speed warning, traffic notification, GPS navigation, and rear view images on demand. I forgot to introduce our guest of honor. Hi, Alexa.
Hey, it's great to be here.
All these features and more can be controlled by voice command. Since safety is our #1 priority, the Jarvis helmet has CNS, DOT, ECE safety certifications, anti-fog, anti-scratch, anti-glare visor, and 100% military-grade battery. Our state-of-the-art technology empowers every rider to enjoy the riding experience. And don't deny it, this is your dream helmet. Pre-order now.
Life is about experiences. It's about getting out of your comfort zone, doing the things you love, and never feeling held back. We wanted to simplify the complicated nature of scuba diving while pushing the restricting boundaries of snorkeling. We wanted to bridge these two domains in the best way possible. This is Super Hookah, the world's smartest and safest hookah diving system. Whether you're a scuba diver, snorkeler, free diver, vacationer or thrill seeker, Super Hookah is made for you. It simply floats on the surface of the water. Air is pulled through the snorkel and is pumped down the airline to the regulator, allowing you to dive up to 30 feet or 10 meters for as long as 2 hours on a single charge. Our power bank utilizes the safest FAA-approved batteries, and with the included solar panel, you can recharge on the beach and head out for another dive. It's never been easier to explore new worlds. Super Hookah is packed full of features in a compact design. Convenient interior storage allows the airline, smart vest, goggles, and snorkel to be stowed inside when not in use. You can keep your phone, wallet, and other personal items with you on the water, stored safely inside. You can charge your phone and other devices while you dive. You can even film your dive through the viewing window with a smartphone, camera, or GoPro. Safety has always been our #1 priority, so we've included a ton of features that will keep you safe in the water. The vest-mounted controller lets you keep an eye on battery life, audibly and visually alerting you when it's time to ascend. 4 additional base-mounted strobe lights will activate in unison with the controller's LEDs. Our Dive Smart vest with auto-inflation can safely assist you to the surface if the batteries are fully depleted, or if the airline is severed or disconnected. In case of an emergency, you can inflate the smart vest at any point and access the additional air reserve directly from your vest, ensuring your safety at all times. We believe your equipment shouldn't hold you back, so we designed Super Hookah to go wherever you go. Engineered with travel in mind, the rolling body, telescopic handle and compact design meet international airline standards for carry-on luggage.
All right, so this is the Wallabout. It's a little piece of hardware that attaches to my phone, sticks onto it, and this is the part that'll actually use the RF sensor to see what's under the wall. So I open the app, I introduce it to the area that I'm gonna start imaging, and I calibrate it, which is pretty easy. Calibration completed. So what's cool is this has a few different modes. The first one is a pan mode. And if I start on one side of the wall and just drag it, it's going to give me a quick image of what's behind my wall. So I can take this scan, and you can see in the app it has measurements in inches. I'll focus on this area since we know we found something. Is in images mode. And it told me there was wood and metal around here. There it is. Look at that, Sebastian!
There it is.
We found it! And expert mode is my favorite. Now that I know that I have some things going on here, this actually gives me real-time data, sends it back into the phone, and gives me a pretty accurate image of what's behind the wall. We did it, Sebastian. What do you think?
I think it looks great.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
So there you have it, folks.
Thousands of years ago, the sport of skiing was invented. And since then, the sport has been evolving. 50 years ago, snowboards came, bringing the joy of surfing to the slopes. Today, the ultimate evolution of skiing has arrived. Introducing Snow Feet, the next revolution in winter sports. A combination of skis and skates that brings the thrill of skating to the slopes. They are essentially like ice skates for the ski slopes. Snow Feet attach right to your winter shoes or snowboard boots. So all you do is step in, strap on, and take off. With these, you can do anything you would do with skis and so much more. Impossible twists, jumps, and tricks. Use them for downhill on and off the slopes, in snow parks, through forest trails, and even for cross-country skiing. Snow Feet lets you do it all, without all the heavy and expensive equipment. They are lightweight and small enough to fit in a backpack, so you can take them anywhere. Media outlets like Mashable, Now This, Uncrate, and many others are already raving about them. They also called Snow Feet the next big thing to hit the ski slopes. Snow Feet are made of highly durable fiberglass reinforced material. They've got metal ski edges for quick stopping, a heel brake for slowing down, adjustable bindings to attach to any shoe, and best of all, one size fits all. We've already delivered thousands of pairs of the first model to our customers around the world, and the positive feedback has been overwhelming. So many people are excited about this new winter sport. It's going to take the world by storm. Some even assume it'll be the next Olympic sport. We're ready to ship the first 2,000 pairs to our supporters before the end of this winter. That way, you'll get to try Snow Feet this snow season. Now is your chance to get Snow Feet at a special price and get on board with the next big winter sport.